Well, g'day curd nerds. Today I'm going to give an update for the triple pepper jack. Now I noticed that, and I checked the other day, no word of a lie, and this was fine. Now I've got all this seepage. So very similar to the question that I had in one of the podcast episodes recently, where the gent said, I can't remember his name, I'm sorry about that. He said he had seepage from the triple jack. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut open the seal, drain this all out, put it in a new bag, and fingers crossed the cheese will be okay. I'm going to pat it dry as well, and with paper towel, and give it a new coating of the Chipotle Chilli Powder. It's going to be pretty wicked, I reckon. Anyway, let's get on and fix this up, shall we? So you can see closer up there, the seepage in the whey is coming out, and that's got all the spices and stuff. The rub that I had on it, it's obviously not working out as best as I thought it would, but I'll clean this up and we'll see how that goes. So let's do that now. So just over the sink, I'm just the seal's still intact, of course. There we go. And you can see a fair bit of there's a lot of liquid that came out then. So that's made this cheese go very firm. You can see a fair bit there. So let's dry that all off. There's a nice big chili bits in it still, so that chili's actually in the cheese itself. That's not from the rub. Alright, so let's put that on it. Let's now, I don't know what caused this weeping. Whether I didn't press the cheese enough and the vacuum bag drew out a little bit more of the moisture. But this is going to make this a fairly dry cheese now. So anyway, I don't think there's going to be too many issues. Get rid of the bag. And just get a board. So will I oil it and let it dry out naturally? I think I might. Right, where'd my oil go? In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to air dry this. That's what I'll do. I won't oil it. I'll let this air dry for a few days, and then I'll give it another coating of oil and let it mature naturally. And then I'll give it a bit of a rub as well. We'll see how we go from there. So, yeah, that's the cheese. So as you saw, that was unexpected. So there's a bit of whey seepage. So I really have to get this air dried now. So I'll do that over the next couple of days to make sure it's touch dry again. And then I'll give it another coat of oil, and then I'll put some more rub on top. So it'll be even spicier than what I thought it would be before. Hopefully this doesn't do it again. So what I might do is naturally ripen it. I've got another ripening box, the last one I've got. And basically I'll put it into the cheese cave and mature it at the right temperature. It's about 13 degrees Celsius in there at the moment. So hoping it will keep a natural rind and not so many molds that will attack it, and we'll see how we go from there. Still, about the 16th of September is the taste test date, so keep that in mind. If you want to see how I made this triple pepper jack cheese, then click over here. Don't forget that you can support the show by becoming a patron as little as $1 a month. Helps go a long way to keep this show on the air. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Anyway, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.